Can you dream big? Right now, everything is against you. Time is against your choice. Fear is against your freedom. The system is against your wealth. No possibilities. No aspirations. No money. The collapse of the banking system. The collapse of large-scale thinking. Stop. UMI is for you. Openness, transparency, equality of opportunity, your growth, your wealth. No stress, no hopelessness. UMI is for you. $15 million, UMI's total liquidity. $5 million, UMI's average daily trading turnover. 550,000 total addresses in the UMI's network. 180 million total UMI coins. 65,536 transactions per second. Now, you can think big. You are big, 'cause you're with UMI.